Ready to conquer the Retell Lecture section of the PTE and unlock the fluency that helps you ace the test? Let's jump into boosting your Retell Lecture fluency, starting with Step 1. Preparation is key. Before the lecture even begins, quickly brainstorm keywords from the lecture's topic, jot them down or keep them mentally ready. This gives you a roadmap to guide your retelling. Step 2. Utilize effective note-taking as you listen. Focus on capturing key ideas. Not every single word. Use shorthand, abbreviations, and symbols to quickly note down the main points and supporting details. Also listen for the speaker's tone and any connections between ideas. Step 3. Structuring your response. Structure is your friend. Begin with an opening statement, summarizing the lecture's topic. For instance, the lecture discussed, then provide the main points you noted, connecting them with transition words like furthermore, in addition, or as a result. Step 4. Practice. Practice, practice. The more you practice, the more natural your fluency will become. Record yourself retelling lectures and listen back to identify areas for improvement. Practice by yourself, with a friend, or go online and find practice materials. Step 5. Master the art of pacing. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace. Don't rush. Pauses are okay. They give your audience a chance to comprehend your speech. Pause if you need a second to brainstorm the points you jotted. Step 6. Use a variety of synonyms and phrases throughout your speech. Changing up language not only improves fluency but also displays a higher proficiency level. You can find variations of keywords used during the lecture and substitute them in. Step 7. Record yourself and critically listen to yourself. Make sure the flow of a natural speaking process takes place as you speak. Try to focus on your pace, vocabulary, and structure.